In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add margins to your Canva design. This is a great skill to have because margins are essential for creating neat and professional designs. They help ensure that all elements are well aligned and maintain consistent spacing from the edges. Let's dive right in and get those margins added to your design in just a few simple steps. Firstly, you'll want to have your Canva project open and ready. Head over to the upper left corner of your screen and locate the File menu. Clicking on this menu will open a drop-down that provides you with various options related to your project, including saving and document settings. The File menu is the gateway to adjusting many elements of your design document, so it's essential to know where it is for any future adjustments you might need to make. Once you've clicked on File, move your mouse to hover over Settings. It's crucial not to click just yet. Hovering over Settings will reveal another list of options. This submenu holds several toggle and configuration settings that can greatly affect how you view and edit your design. It might be tempting to explore, and that's perfectly fine, but for our purpose today you just need to hover. Next, carefully find and select the option labelled Show Margins. By clicking on this, you activate margins on your current design canvas. The margins will typically appear as dotted lines that outline a border inside your document. These visual guides are not only beneficial for preventing critical content from being too close to the edge of your design, which might get cut off, but also useful for maintaining a symmetrical layout and ensuring visual balance. That's it. With margins now visible on your design canvas, you can proceed with editing or positioning your design elements accordingly. The presence of these margins allows for better structured visuals, enhancing the overall appeal and professionalism of your work. While it might seem like a minor adjustment, enabling margins drastically changes how you manage and balance your design's content. Now you can continue to work on your project, confident that each element will stay neatly within the boundaries, giving it a clean and professional look. Take some time to experiment with the arrangement and size of your elements within these margins to see what works best for your specific needs. As you continue to use Canva and explore its features, you'll find that understanding how to manipulate these settings can dramatically impact the quality of your final product. Keep practicing, and you'll soon be creating designs with precision and flair. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!